Today's video starts in Meadville, Pennsylvania, and we're at the Pennsylvania Department of Transportation to show you something incredible. And here's just the tip of the iceberg. They have an entire garden made out of random street signs. You've got some 45-mile-per-hour lilies here with a green stem of random street signs and this sculpture. A rose bush made out of stop signs. Check this out. Possibly a daffodil flower with yellow petals that are made up of stop sign ahead warnings. I love this one with all the street signs as the petals. This one has some kind of coneflower look to it. Even the bushes are street signs. You got some sunflowers made out of detour signs. Maybe a daisy back there made up of one-way street signs. An exit sign has the foliage coming out of the ground and all the little bushes. This one's just a smorgasbord of signs. Here at the Pennsylvania Department of Transportation, they started this garden with local art students. And it's incredible. Now, I'm definitely not an expert when it comes to identifying flowers and plants. So if you see any that I miss or want to correct me on my guesses, you can feel free in the comments below. And I really love this dandelion looking sculpture over here. That's the tour of the gardens. But if you walk over this way, they have an entire city built out of street signs. Let's go check that out. What in the world is this that stretches over a quarter mile of road sign mural? So now here we are in the front of the Pennsylvania Department of Transportation building. And if you walk a little this way, this is where the city mural starts, also known as read between the signs. Let's get things rolling here with a train barreling down the tracks, with oil wells celebrating the world's first oil boom, which happened nearby. And this just keeps going for miles. Barns, a water scene, clouds and rain. Now this mural started back in 2001 when Allegheny College art students and the Pennsylvania Department of Transportation combined their talents for over a decade. I love how the art students recreated part of their campus here. This is Bentley Hall, and it looks exactly like the real building at the Allegheny College. Here's another marker to find it. It's right off 79 and Junction 102 in Meadville, Pennsylvania. We've got some ocean waves here made out of hospital signs. And these roadside sculptures are based on actual buildings located here in Meadville, Pennsylvania. Bunch of Interstate 79 signs. This one even has shutters and an awning on it made out of street signs. And I apologize for all the road noise. We're right next to a highway here. Now, most of this mural depicts life here in Crawford County, highlighting annual events such as the Thurston Balloon Classic, as you can see here. This mural kind of makes me feel like you're walking through some kind of Dr. Seuss book. Another great scene is they took some Adopt a Highway signs and turned it into wind for this umbrella blowing away and this sailboat. Everything is made out of street signs. Love the roller coasters and Ferris wheels here, representing the local Crawford County Fair. This iconic roller coaster mural. The track's made out of 45-mile-per-hour speed limit signs. So cool. And that Ferris wheel actually spins around. A child at the horse stables made out of street signs. I love how they celebrate the local farming communities with a barn made of stop signs and a silo made of white junction signs. Tractors. There's a cowboy singing to the children and the animals. They've got all the animals. They got a cow here, a chicken in its nest, a sheep in front of a barn of stop signs, and a nice little pig right here in Meadville, Pennsylvania. A child at the horse stables made out of street signs. Love that lane change ahead tree. They even got a big old turkey. Doing some maintenance over here, the construction worker, and this thing keeps going. And I spy a blue heron down there. But we have reached the end of the path. All right. Well, that's gonna do it from Meadville, Pennsylvania. If you made it to the end of the video, I just want to say thanks for watching. And until we meet again, we'll see you next time.